for this next project, you're implementing skills you've already learned by changing the subject as well as the background of each of these photos that I've provided to you. I have went outside the school and I took 10 different photos of close-up shots of flowers that I want you guys to use. So make sure you're only using these photos that I've given you. In order to save each one and then upload it onto Photoshop, you have to click directly on it and then right click, save image, save it on your desktop, and then click save. And then you can go back to Photoshop, click open, and make sure you're clicked into desktop, and then find that picture that you saved, and then open it that way. So the first thing we want to do is change and adjust different parts of the subject first, which is the flower. So we'll go to the object selection tool and then click directly on it, and then we'll go to image adjustments, and you can adjust whatever different adjustments you want that you've already learned, brightness, exposure. For me, I'm going to adjust the hue, so I'll just change the color a little bit. And then when you have it the way that you like, you'll click OK. Now we want to change the background, so if you remember from last time, you're going to right click on the subject and then select inverse. And then for the background, we need the brush tool. So we'll click on the brush tool, change the size of the brush if you want to or need to, and then the mode. So I'll click on luminosity, and then I'll make the color that I want white over here. And then I'll start painting over. And then when you've got it the way that you like, and you've changed the flower and the background, you'll go up to select, and then deselect everything. And then everybody should know how to save it at this point, but just in case you don't, you'll go to File, Save As, and then click on your desktop and make sure that it's a JPEG and not a Photoshop format. And then this is where I would create a new folder so that you stay organized, and name it Basic Editing Project 7, create, and then just save it in that folder. And then you'll go back to Google Classroom, click on the Google Doc, and that's where you'll put in all of your edited photos from the folder. Just put it right there. And that's pretty much it.